only on ABC7 News, a case of bad behavior at a bar that's open in San Mateo County. The scene was captured on video, and ABC7 News reporter Cornell Bernard is in Belmont live. Cornell, you talked to employees at St. James Gate Restaurant and Pub.
Yeah, it's an unbelievable story, Eric, and employees here are still very upset about what happened recently. Believe it or not, a bartender was coughed on by a customer who refused to wear a mask.
She was just upset that people were telling her that she had to play by new rules.
This is the unruly customer employees at St. James Gate Restaurant and Pub hope to identify. Bartender Misha Murata says a disturbing incident happened recently on the same day they got the okay to start serving indoors. Masks and social distancing required.
This lady kept on hugging people at the bar and not wearing a mask.
Misha's co-worker behind the bar asked the woman to comply.
Miss, please put your mask on.
Watch as surveillance cameras captured what happened next. The woman leans in and appears to cough directly in the face of the bartender, who steps back in shock and disbelief.
It was a very disgusting act on a couple different levels.
Misha was standing just feet away. He quickly told the woman to leave. She does, but not before a parting shot, giving bartenders the middle finger, then knocking down a bar stool before heading out the door.
Something like that is just so unacceptable.
General Manager Bobby Martinez can't believe the video.
It's not nice to do that to somebody. Like, he was just trying to enforce the guideline and she would just refuse to follow it.
Earlier this month, a woman was caught on camera accused of intentionally coughing on a child at a San Jose Yogurtland in a dispute over social distancing. Employees at St. James Gate haven't filed a police report. They say it's not their intention to have the unidentified woman arrested or cited, only to know what she did is unacceptable.
I think that if she reflects on this, then maybe she can realize that she should be better.
So some new developments here in the last 30 minutes. Managers say Belmont police were not called, but they showed up. They spoke with the bartender briefly, and they say they plan to follow up sometime this week. By the way, that bartender is doing okay tonight. We're live in Belmont. Cornell Bernard, ABC7 News.
Thanks, Cornell.